Welcome back to the channel Benidorm by Anna. Today we show you yet another hotel from Med Playa, and this one has an incredible location. Welcome to the inside full tour of the Hotel Regente. Located in the Rincon de Loja, just a few minutes on foot from the Levante beach and Benidorm's main commercial area, this 4-star family-friendly hotel is a very nice place to enjoy some great holidays from the Med Playa Hotels group. It's been fully renovated in 2019-2020, and now it's a very modern Mediterranean design and a warm, relaxed atmosphere. Let's start from the lobby. This is where the main reception is located, and also the Jet 2 Holidays representative stand, where if you're flying with them, you can always come and talk to them in case you have any kind of doubts or questions. Also, the reception here is 24 hours. Some snack machines, and from here, right next to the luggage room, we are heading to see some of the rooms. On the 8th floor, we have this lovely room. This is a family room of a kind. You have 2 quite spacious beds, a table, kettle, big wardrobe, a closet, phone number, obviously the minibar or the fridge. Plus, there's a 3rd bed right here, which means that children or the other adult do not sleep on a sofa, but they actually sleep on an actual bed, which is a huge plus. And several Med Playa hotels do have this in their rooms. I think it's a great advantage. Here we have the tea and coffee facilities. You have a TV remote. You have a QR code to scan it for some more information if you need to. Some seating area, and obviously here, all the timetables and the services on the QR code. You just scan it with the camera, you open the website and see all the information. From here, we're heading to the terrace. Since we are on the 8th floor, the views from here are stunning. We can see all the Sierra Aitana, the mountains in front of us, the main avenue of Rincon de Loja, which is where the bus actually runs, all the common areas and the pools that, don't worry, we'll discover on today. And this is the street that will bring you directly to the beach of Levante and the Mediterranean Avenue. There's also some place here to dry out your clothes and swimwear. And from here, you can see the cross of Benidorm. We actually have a full video about how to get there. Obviously, all the common areas, incredible place. Looks like a city hotel, but it actually has everything you need inside of it. And obviously some chairs and a table to enjoy gorgeous views. The bathroom is complete. Here we have Dove amenities, hand soap, the body wash, and the shampoo. There are towels for as many people as there are in the room. The rain type of shower plus the usual and typical one if you need to walk in shower. And then followed by the room that is an adapted room, fully adapted, which is the key. All open spaces, everything put slightly down towards the floor so that it would be fully accessible. Open, smaller table with a chair if you need to, the kettle, obviously for tea and coffee facilities. Everything is slightly lower. Plus the beds too, there's plenty of space to pass through every single spot here in the room. So you won't have any issues even if you're coming with a wheelchair. The huge mirror for you to check the outfits before you head out. And a spacious bathroom where everything has been adapted. Even the mirror that's facing downwards to help you out and make sure that everything is visible. The zoom in mirror also is slightly lower. The shower, everything is fully adapted for your needs. Not all rooms are like this, obviously, but if you need one, make sure you ask the reception beforehand. There is also a ramp that you can ask at the reception to access the terrace, which makes it fully accessible for you. Tables, some chairs, some place to also dry out the towels and swimwear. This one is overlooking the town itself, not the main avenue, and the natural park of Sierra Helada, plus the Mundo Mar and Aqualandia. Slightly quieter, honestly, if you prefer it not as loud. From here, we're back to the main floor. And here we will show you the restaurant. This is located on the floor -1. There's different types of information boards here around what you have to remember, that the food should not be wasted, the timetables for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Also for a bar, for a food truck, and for all-inclusive basis and premium, which gives you slightly more hours to be here. Special offers for residents for breakfast, lunch, or dinner with some drinks included. And now let's head towards the restaurant. This is a buffet restaurant and also a buffet breakfast place. Restaurant offers Mediterranean and continental dishes, theme nights as well, like gala dinners, which is incredible. It's nicely themed. It has pictures of Benidorm skyline at night all over it. Nice colors that do suit to a touristic situated on the Mediterranean Sea type of a resort. Plenty of different seating areas. You can see all the lovely gardens with flowers and plants on the side, and also the access to the ground floor area where the food truck is located and the swimming pool, plus the children's play area. Here we start with some cold ingredients to prepare your own salad, which is always the possibility. There's plenty of fresh ingredients here, as you can see. However, if you do not want to think what kind of salad would you prepare, there's also some pre-made salads that the chef of this hotel is actually preparing for you guys, which we'll see in a second. Meanwhile, a bread selection, toast selection, all of this is also available for you here as an accompanying to the main meals that you will choose, especially if you are a bread person. There's a sauce station. There's plenty of different types of salsas, desserts, which are jellos, there's puddings, there's cakes, and this is something typical that is usually prepared here quite a lot. It's all labeled, and the last one is cream caramel flan. Flan is typical Spanish. We always have some seasonal fruit out here, especially oranges and mandarins. There's also some melon here, some yogurts, natural ones, and then obviously if you want some ice cream to finish out your meal, there's some toppings and different flavored ice creams. There's vanilla, strawberry, chocolate, and there's another one here too. I hope probably it's also vanilla. There's a children's station, which is great for kids who are quite picky eaters, you know. There's some dollar potatoes, they call them. There's some ham pizza, recently made. There's some sausages here, grilled sausages. They're called longaniza. Potatoes. There's some salami plates, different cheese selection, like a charcuterie. You could make probably a charcuterie board from this if you would want for your table. So nice selection. And then all these salads. There's usually 3 pre-made salads that the chef does. So all of them have different ingredients, different styles. Some of them are typical Spanish, others are international. So you will get to choose which one you want the most. Obviously, there's Valencian paella, typical of our region. This is how it looks like. And you also get to have 2 warm meals, black bean stew and seafood cream. These are the 2 of these in case you're willing to have some warm meal, even though it's quite warm outside. More plates here. Usually there might be lasagna, cannellonis, crepes. There's also quite a wide selection of veggies in case you want these and you're seeking for a different type of food. Pumpkin, grilled swordfish also, vegetable stew. There's Italian meatballs this time, and also some more meat and a plain white rice to accompany it with. There's also a show cooking station with a typical meat sauce, some pastas, pesto sauce, salmon sauce. Oh, that's lovely. And they are grilling the veggies, which will be ready shortly for you. On the opening time, they are grilling the vegetables here. And also, after they do the veggies, they will start doing the meat and the fish. They've already grilled quite a bit of veggies out here, as you can see on the trays, but more are coming up. We are back to the main lobby, and from here we will be showing you the loveliest bar. This is also the access to the reading room, to the toilets here. We have several of them, including the accessible toilet, obviously. And from here, we get the access towards the swimming pool. This is a wide and spacious area that is very comfortable if you want to grab some drinks, some snacks, play some board games, which they also have available, or just sit down, have a lovely, lovely chat. This place is very nice, and they also put some entertainment here in the colder months. There is a stage here as well. But overall, just sitting down here and enjoying the company of your friends or loved ones, your family, is also worth the visit. Cozy spaces with some very, very soft light, honestly, makes it a really nice environment to relax and enjoy a lovely stay out here. And the design is perfect for the city like Benidorm. Marine town, touristic one with plenty of plants and flowers nearby. I do think the colors that they chose are really, really suitable. That's where you can get your cocktails, your drinks, the stage, as you could have seen, and the board games table, which is where you can grab a few board games that are located right here. Just make sure you bring them afterwards to the same place where you took these ones out. Overall, it's a very nice hotel, and it has different room types and amenities. They also have entertainment here, the reading room and the television room too. This is where it is located, right nearby. They have double twin rooms. They have triple rooms, which is the one that you could have seen previously, that has a bed that just opens up. There's also a junior suite, like a split area, bedroom and a lounge with a sofa bed, but these ones were occupied, so we're not able to see these ones today, which was a shame, but still you were able to see two other options available for you. This is a very relaxed atmosphere place. There's also a children's gaming zone, which has plenty of different games for you to choose from. And families do love these types of rooms, honestly, especially if the weather is not as nice. This is where families spend quite a bit of their time. From here, we're heading to the loveliest open area of this hotel, surrounded by typical plants, trees, and flowers below the Spanish hot sunshine. This is where many people spend even the whole entire day, enjoying everything that our weather has to offer. There's also a giant stage here for the entertainment, and plenty of sunbeds for those who do not want to go to the pool, just want to enjoy some sunshine, read a newspaper, a book, and that's where they're staying. And then we have a separate area, which is the swimming pool area. Here we also have a snack bar located, which is the one we'll show you in a second. But first of all, let's see the swimming pools. There's one area which is children oriented, and it's this one. And right next to it, we have the children's playground. This is a lovely area that has some shade provided, which is incredibly nice because obviously it's quite hot outside. Plenty of space for children to play. And then you have all this swimming pool, which is 0.50. It's half of meter depth, if I'm not wrong, maximum, which makes it really comfortable and nice for smaller children just to stay here, have a lovely walk down the river, and just enjoy the space. And for parents, it's also gonna be way less stressful, knowing it's not so deep at all. The snack bar is located nearby, and there's different types of ice creams you can purchase here, for example, like these ones. There's also the all-inclusive facilities, which means that you can get the burgers, fries, hot dogs, different types of snacks here, and just bring them with you to the table or to the sunbed. Plenty of people here around. And there's also a jacuzzi right there near these brown stones. Loveliest crystal clear water with the incredible weather that we have right now. Plenty of people are here enjoying their day. There's also a pool table and a table tennis located right here nearby. Plenty of entertainment going on during daytime, both for kids, adults, and for everyone in this hotel.
the shop area, which is open to buy in case you want some extra accessory for your day out in Benidorm town. This hotel also has charging points for mobility scooters. Parking and charging them costs €2 a day if these were rented out at the reception. This was the loveliest hotel with full accessibility and just 600 meters away from the Levante beach and the lovely British zone.
This was the lovely Regente Hotel. Thank you for accompanying us today. We hope you enjoyed it. And we will see you in a new video here on the channel very, very soon. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more.